This video is a review of the Funhang EB-M1 Commuter Ebike. The EB-M1 has a 500 watt rear hub motor with a max speed of 21.7 miles per hour or 35 kilometers per hour, twist throttle, 5 levels of pedal assist, 48 volt 7.8 amp hour battery with a range of up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers, front and rear disc brake, 26-inch wheels, locking front shock absorber, headlight, and weighs 49.6 pounds or 22.5 kilograms. This video is a condensed version of my typical e-bike reviews since the company is not compensating me for my time, but I want to provide critical information to those who are interested. I'm not going to cover the unboxing, assembly, testing each pedal assist level, brakes, hills, nor cruise control. I'm only going to show the controls, display programming settings, battery, max speeds in pedal assist level 5, and provide a review. I'm going to quickly go through the functions. On the front we have the shifter for the front derailleur. There's 3 chain rings. Here we have the button for the light and the horn, which I'll show you in a second. On this side we have the shifter for the rear derailleur. There's 7 speeds, and then the twist throttle. This is the display. To turn it on, we press and hold the power button. We can see the current speed in miles per hour. We can see the pedal assist level, the battery level, and then this currently shows the odometer. If we press the power button once, it changes to trip, and then voltage, and it goes back to odometer. If we press the plus button, it changes the pedal assist levels from 0 to 5, and then if we press it down, it changes it back down from 4 to 0. If we press and hold the minus button, it provides a pedestrian walk mode of 3 miles per hour. This is the button for the light. This is the button for the horn. It also says when you're cruising at a certain speed that's more than 6.2 miles per hour and you press and hold the minus button, then cruise control will activate and it will hold that speed. To go to the programming settings, we press and hold the plus and minus button, and it says P01. This is the screen brightness. By default it's 2, so 3 is brighter, 1 is darker, and 2 is default. P02 is the units of speed, so it's currently in miles. If we press up, it changes to kilometers, and then we can change it back to miles. P4 is the dormancy time. It's the time that the e-bike will automatically go to sleep from 1 to 60 minutes. At 0, it's disabled. And then P16, if we press and hold the plus button for 5 seconds, then it resets the odometer. So it went back to 0, and then if we press power again, it goes back to P01. To get out of this, we press and hold the plus and minus buttons, and here we are. Let me show you the max speeds in each pedal assist level. Pedal assist 1, 6.4 miles per hour. Pedal assist 2, 9.5 miles per hour. Pedal assist 3, 12.7 miles per hour. Pedal assist 4, 16 miles per hour. Pedal assist 5, 21.9 miles per hour. To turn it off, we press and hold the power button. There's 2 keys in the front. Here's the slot for the key. Turn it counterclockwise. Then you could pull the battery upwards to take it out. These are the specs for the battery. These are the contacts. This is the locking mechanism. Here's the battery indicator. There's 5 dots and it's currently at 4, so probably 80% full. You can turn the battery off or on, and then here's the charging port. Putting the battery back in. For the review, I'll cover things that I liked and disliked. It feels light and quick. It's 49.6 pounds and feels like a decently built mountain bike with electric assist. It can hit 21.7 miles per hour within 8 seconds. There's 21 speeds, 3 chain rings in the front and 7 cassettes in the back, allowing a variety of gearing ratios. Most e-bikes have 1 or 2 chain rings in the front, and 3 is a bit overkill, but it's there. The Shimano Tourney group set that it comes with is the most basic set that is offered, and the front chainring I believe is one piece. It's not the lightest or fastest shifting set, but it works. There are front and rear disc brakes, and they're decent. Don't expect too much from them. For the suspension, there's a locking adjustable front fork. It's nice that it's there, but don't expect much performance out of it. The battery is removable, so you can take it out to charge it or remove it when you park it. There's nothing too special about it. In terms of cost, the e-bike is currently selling for $259.99 before $109 shipping, or $449.99 before tax, or around $500 with tax, which is a really good deal for what this e-bike has to offer. There are pretty much entry-level components on this e-bike, but I feel like it works well and is reasonably priced. This e-bike feels very similar to the Top Guard e-bike that I reviewed, and may be rebranded, since the marketing agency that contacted me to review this e-bike previously sent the Top Guard to me for review. And that's it for this review. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Feel free to leave questions or comments in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and take care.